Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 145 and onwards of Surah Al Imran. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. وما كان لنفس أن تموت إلا بإذن الله كتابا مؤجلا ومن يريد ثواب الدنيا نؤته منها ومن يريد ثواب الآخرة نؤته منها وسنجزي الشاكرين. For wow, circle your lips. For patha, open your jaws. Ma is 2 counts long. Ka is light and there is no hums and it is 2 counts long. Ka na is short. Li for kasra give e sound. Naf for patha or noon you give open your jaws and attach with fa. Fa will get sip of hums. Naf. When you are attaching noon with fa, there the hums will be applied. Nafsin for kasra give e sound and give the wasut on noon, which is hidden here in tanween. So give e sound for kasra, e, and then attach with noon, and this is called the wasut when you are giving you are creating a thought. In li nafsi, si, and then sin li nafsin ikhfa, and that is a light ikhfa. You are hiding the pronunciation of noon and you are going towards the makhraj of ta and keeping the sound in your nose. Ta is short. Mu for the circle your lips. It is 2 counts long. Ta short. Il hamza is very sharp. Attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Il and then it is 2 counts long. La illa bi for kasra give e sound. The sound is very short. Is for kasra give e sound, and the sound is very sharp and short and attached with the dal. When you are attaching hamza with dal, here the raqa will be applied. Is the sound should flow very nicely. Nil for kasra give e sound, and lafz jalala will be light because you can see kasra before it. Nila, it will be always long. La he is short. Ki for kasra give e sound. Ta should 2 counts long. Bam idgham with gunna. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time because this is gunna. Ka akmal akmal. Kitabam for the circular lips. Hamza is very sharp for patha, open your jaw. Attach a jim. There will be no qalqala on jim because jim gets qalqala only when it is with sukoon. There is tashdid, so we will not create qalqala here. Other than that, we are giving a very strong sound. And j short. La not playable. 2 counts long. وَمَن idgham. When there is nun sakin or tanween, and after nun sakin or tanween you find huruf yarmalun, then you create idgham, and this is idgham with gunna. Yanmu are the letters when they are there after nun sakin or tanween, you give idgham with gunna, and ra and lam are the letters whenever these are after nun or tanween, it will get idgham without gunna. So here the gunna is with it is idgham with gunna. وَمَن for the circle lips, and ya is very light. Read for kasra keep e sound. When you are creating qalqala, don't drop this e sound of kasra. Read and give qalqala on dal and keep dal light. Ra is light, dal is light. That is very short. And for fatha, open your jaws. Wa, circle your lips to pronounce wa and make it 2 counts long. Wa, bad. Attach ba with dal, and dal with will show a very shidda sound, very strong sound. The makhraj will cut off the flow of sound very nicely. But dun for the circle your lips. As soon you will touch noon, give idhar, and this is idhar mutlaq. And you will keep this lip straight when you will touch noon. Dun, yeah, it's 2 counts long, and you are lifting tongue to pronounce yeah, but you are not touching palate, so yeah will be light, very soft sound. Yeah, no. For the circular lips attached with Hamza. Hamza will get sifa of shidda. The sound will be cut off very nicely. No. T for constructive E sound, very sharp sound. He 2 counts long. Min for constructive E sound. Attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of the wasat. Min ha is 2 counts long. Wa for vowel circle your lips. Fatha open your chest. The sound is very short. Wa may idgham with gunna. Whenever you find huruf yarmulun after noon sakin or tanween, you create idgham, and this idgham is with gunna. So you're keeping the sound in your nose very nicely. Wa mayu for the circle your lips. The ya will be very soft. You're lifting your tongue up, but you are not creating the sound of because you are not touching the palate. You read for constructive E sound attached with dal. Dal is light and give qalqala. Read. That is short. Wa 2 counts long and circle your lips to pronounce wow, because makhraj of wow is circling your lips. Bal, ba is very sharp and short and attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Bal, hamza is 2 counts long and very sharp sound. Khli for kasrakib E sound, and kha is heavy. Ra is heavy because when ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy and the sound is short. T for constructive E sound. Nu for dhamma circle your lips attached with hamza. Hamza will show the sifa of shidda very nicely. Nu. T for constructive E sound. He 2 counts long. Min for constructive E sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa of the wasut. Min ha is 2 counts long and from your throat. Wa for wow circle your lips. For fatha open your jaws. Short. Wa sa naji. Noon is very short. For fatha open your jaws. Attach with jim. Jim will get sifa of qalqala. Naji. Zish. For constructive E sound. Don't drop this E sound even you are attaching with the coming up letter. Zish and sheen. When you are attaching za with sheen, here you will apply rakhawa. And there is the fashi. The sound will flow very nicely. Zish, and keep sheen light. Zish, sha is 2 counts long. Ki for constructive E sound. Reen, ra will be light because there is kasra, and you will give the wasat on noon when you will stop because there is sukun on noon when you are giving waqf. Wa for wow circle your lips, for fatha open jaws and jaws. Ka is very soft and there is no humps. For fatha open your jaws. Ka ay hamza is very sharp. For fatha open your jaws, attach with ya, and here you will apply nabar. Why? Because ya and noon, whenever these are with tashdid, you will create number. And when you are creating, when you are attaching this hamza with ya, this is where you are creating number. Ay. As soon you will leave hamza. Hamza is very sharp, but when you are landing on ya, you are landing with number, jump of sound, and you are keeping ya very soft. Ay. Ye for constructive E sound, and keeping the softness of ya there and give kasra very sharp, short. E waka ay. Ye in. Okay, you are attaching this ya with noon. In for kasra, give e sound, attach with meme. Im, attach with meme. And then there will be akmal gunna here. Min for kasra, give e sound and attach with noon. Min, and give a gunna, akmal gunna here. Min, na, and na is short. B for kasra, give e sound on ba. And when you are attaching with ya, this is with the tashdid, so give number here. B. And then there is ikhfa. There are so many things going on here, right? Yes. When B, yin, yin, ikhfa, heavy ikhfa. وكأي من نبي. yin, ikhfa is heavy here. qa, 2 counts long. Ta short. La short. وكأي من نبي قاتل. Ma short. Qa from your throat, the sound is short. Who, 2 counts long. Rib for kasra, give e sound, attached with ba. Rib, no qalqala because ba is with tashdid. When ba gets sakoon, then we create qalqala. Rib. Other than that, you are giving a very sharp sound of ba because ba is among shadid letters. Rib, B, and again there is number. So much practice is coming here, right? Of number. When you are attaching ba with ya, there you will create number, and the number is a jump of sound. Rib, B, rib, B. You is 2 counts long. Na short. Circle your lips for dhamma. Ke short. Ti, 2 counts long. Ring, ikhfa. And this is light ikhfa because fa is among light letters. Rum, f. Give nice hums when you are pronouncing fa, and you will complete it with short sound of fatha. F, ma, 2 counts long. Wow, circle your lips, fatha, open your jaws. Ha, from your throat, last part of your throat, and for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Ha, oh, the length of these two will be same. Ha, nu for dhamma, circle your lips and make it 2 counts long. Li for kasra, give e sound. Ma, 4 counts long. A short. Sa, 2 counts long. Ba short. Hum for dhamma, circle your lips. Attach with meme. As soon you will touch meme, your lips should in a straight position and give the wasat. Fi, 2 counts long. Se, for fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. B, 2 counts long. Lil for kasra, give e sound. Attach with lafz jalala, and that will be light, and it will be 2 counts long. Lillahi, he is short. Huwa for wow, circle your lips. Fatha, open your jaws. Ma, 2 counts long. Dha is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is very short. Dha, ru, and for ain, squeeze your throat well to pronounce ain. For dhamma, circle your lips, and the sound is very short. Ru, fu, give hums on fa and make it 2 counts long. Circle your lips well. Wa for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Mas for fatha, open your jaws, and the sound will be short. It is not anymore long because it is attached with the coming up letter. Mas, the sound seen has a raqawa. It has safid. It is light. Mas, ta is short and ta is very sharp. Ta, ka is 2 counts long, and ka is light. There's no hums. No, 2 counts long. Circle your lips very well. Wallahu. Wow, circle your lips. Attach with lam, and lafz jalala will be heavy because you can see fatha before it. Wallahu. la, 2 counts long. Hu for Dhamma, circle your lips, the sound is short. You for Dhamma, circle your lips. Hib for Kasra, give E sound, attach with ba. Hibbus for Dhamma, circle your lips. As soon you will touch Sod, Sod will be heavy. Sod get Rakhawa, Sod has Safid. There should be a whistle sound. Ba will be light, but Sod will be heavy. So be careful. Gusso, and then it is 2 counts long too, because this is there is alif saghira, and it is just like mad tabi'i, mad asli, natural mad. B for kasra, give E sound, and ba is very sharp. Reen, that will be 4 counts long. And give the wasut at the end because you are giving sukoon because of the waqf. وَكَأَيٍّ مِّن نَبِيٍّ قَاتَلَ مَعَهُ رِبِّيُّونَ كَثِيرٌ فَمَا وهنوا لما أصابهم في سبيل الله وما ضعفوا وما استكانوا والله يحب الصابرين. For wow, circle your lips. Fatha, open your jaws. Ma is 2 counts long. Ka, 2 counts long. Na, short. Qaw, for fatha, open your jaws. It will be 2 counts long because this is wow, lean. La, short. Hum, for the circle your lips. Attach with me. Me will get sifa of the wasut. Il, hamza is very sharp. Attach with lam. Lam will get the wasut. And then it is 4 counts long because this is mad munfasil. Jaiz. Illa this is ikhfa, and that is heavy ikhfa because qaf is among heavy letters. So lift your tongue very nicely up towards your palate so you can create this heavy ikhfa. Qa is 2 counts long and it is heavy. Lu for the circular lips. The length of qa and lu should be same because this is 2, this is 2. Qalu, Rab for ra will be heavy. For fatha, upon your jaws, attach it. Ba will show its shiddat. Yes, Rab, and fatha is very short. Ba, na, 2 counts long. Sorry, it is not 2 counts long because it is attached with coming up letter, and that is ghain. And ghain will be heavy, and ghain will get rakhawa. And yes, Rabba, no. So we are not making it 2 counts long because we are attaching it with the coming up letter. Rabba, no. Fir, give hams in fa, give nice kasra, and then attach with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawasut. Fir, la, short. Na, 2 counts long. Uzdu, engage right makhraj of dal, and that is touching your tip of your tongue to the edge of the upper 2 teeth, and for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is very short. Du, nu, 2 counts long. Ba, short. Na, 2 counts long. Wa, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Is for kasra, give E sound, attach with sin. Sin will get rakhawa, and the was rakhawa and safid, and it is light. Is ra is 2 counts long and it is heavy because whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it is heavy. The sound of heavy ra is the ra, and make it 2 counts long. Ra, fa, give nice hums in fa. Fatha, open jaws, and na is 2 counts long. Fi, 4 counts long. Hamza is very sharp. Attach with me. Mean gets if of the wasut. Ri for kasra is E sound. And it is light because whenever ra is with kasra, it is light. Na, 2 counts long. Wa, for wow, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. The sound is short. Thab, engage a right makhraj of the tha, and for fatha open your jaws, attach it ba. Ba will show its shidda. Thab, thab, the sound will cut off right away. Thab, and then give kasra on ba, and then attach with ta. Ta will get sifa of hums. Thab, beat. Don't drop this kasra, sound of kasra. It's b. Thab, thab, beat. Aqa. Hamza is very sharp for fatha open your jaws, attach with qaf. Qaf will get sifa of qalqala, and it is heavy. Aqo. Da will be light, and it is 2 counts long. Why I said so, say that this is light, because when we make any letter heavy, we tend to make the letters heavy beside it too, even though they are light. So this is light. Don't make it heavy because of qaf. Aqo. This is heavy. This has qalqala, but dal will stay light. Da, aqo, da, ma, short. Na, 2 counts long. Wang, for wow, circular lips. Fatha, open your jaws, attach with noon. Noon will get, this is ikhfa, and this is heavy ikhfa. So when you will leave the makhraj of wow, your lips should be in a straight position, and you'll keep the sound in your nose, and you will lift your tongue up to make this ikhfa heavy. Wansur, for the circular lips, attached with ra. Ra will get sifa of tawassut, and ra will be heavy because you can see the ma before it. So, 2 counts long. Ain from your throat, for fatha open your jaws. Lal, lam. This lam is light. This lam is light. For fatha open your jaws. Attach with this lam and give the wasut. Lal, qaw, 2 counts long. And this is lean. For qaw, qaf is heavy. Mil, for kasra, give e sound. Attach with lam. Lam will get sifa of the wasut. Mil, ka, 2 counts long, and kaf is light, and there's no hums. Fi, give nice hums in fa. For kasra, give e sound, and it will be 4 counts long, and ra will be light. Reen, and get the wasut on noon, because you are giving sukoon because of the waqf. وَمَا كَانَ قَوْلَهُمْ إِلَّا أَنْ قَالُوا رَبَّنَا اغْفِرْ لَنَا ذُنُوبَنَا وَإِسْرَافَنَا في أمرنا وثبت أقدامنا وانصرنا على القوم الكافرين. Fa is very short. Give hums, nice hums. Hamza is very sharp, and it is 2 counts long. Ta, 2 counts long, and very sharp sound. Who, for the circular lips, the sound is very short. Mullah, keep mim light, but lips jalala is heavy because you can see dhamma before it. Mullah, it's 2 counts long. Who, for the circular lip. Tha, the makhraj of tha is touching the edge of your frontal teeth with your edge of your tip of your tongue. And so, and the fatha is very short. Tha, wa is 2 counts long, circular lips to pronounce wow. But ba is attached with dal. Dal will show its shiddat, quality of shiddah. But, and then dal has dhamma, circular lips. And as soon you will touch noon, your lips should be in a straight position, and there is izhar mutlaq. And you're given tawassut here. Thawabad, dun, ya, keep ya light, and it is 2 counts long. Wa, for wow, circular lips, fatha, open your jaws, the sound is very short. Wa, hus, for Dhamma, circle your lips, attach with Seen. Seen will get Rakhawa, uh, and it will have Safir, and it is light. Husna, na is short, the short. Wa, two counts long, circle your lips. Bil, for kasra, give E sound attached with Lam. Lam will get sifat tawassut. Bil, Hamza is two. Hamza is very sharp and make it two counts long because this is mad asli. Khi, for kasra, give E sound. And make it heavy. Khi, Ra, for Ra will be heavy, and it will stay short even though you are giving a stop at the end, because there is no reason to make Ra long. And what will be stretched? The Rakhawa will be stretched on Ha, because whenever you stop on two dotted ta, circle ta, you will change into Ha. So Ha will get sifa of Rakhawa here. آخرة والله, for wow, circle your lips. So fatha, open your jaws, keep wow light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Wallahu, for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound of ha is very short. You keep ya very light for dhamma, circle your lips. The sound is short. You hib, for kasra, give e sound and give that nice misty sound in it and attach it. Ba, ba will get a very sharp sound. Hib, will, for dhamma, circle your lips, attached with lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Muh, for dhamma, circle your lips and attach with ha. Ha will get sifa of rakhawa and it will be light. Muh, si, for kasra, give e sound. Neen, it will be two counts long and get the wasut at the end when you are giving sukoon on noon because of the waqf. فآتاهم الله ثواب الدنيا وحسن ثواب الآخرة والله يحب المحسنين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.